Hi, this video talks about the first of all a go and no go, the concept of go and no go in terms of using that to inspect parts, and it also talks about a cylindrical plug gauge, and it also talks about gauge tolerance allocation. Okay, so I have an example problem for you. First of all, design a cylindrical go-no-go plug gauge to inspect the size of a through hole. The hole size specification is a diameter of 0.4375 plus or minus 0.0015 inch. The thickness of the section that hole penetrates is 0.625 inch. The Quality Assurance Department requires that a gauge tolerance of 10% of the part feature be used, and design the gauge using both bilateral and unilateral tolerance allocation. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about what a cylindrical plug gauge is. Here's a picture of a cylindrical plug gauge. Okay, it has one end, it's a go, and then the other side is no go. Okay, so it can be used to inspect parts with a size of like an inside diameter or an inside width of slot. It can be used to check that. It has two ends. It has a go side and a no-go side. So if you look at the go side is designed to check the minimum size of the hole. The go end of the gauge will fit inside the entire length of the hole if the hole is machined above the minimum size tolerance. Now, if that hole is machined below the minimum size tolerance, the go end will not fit, and then the inspector can tell it's an undersized hole. Now, on the other hand, the no-go end is designed to check the maximum hole size of the hole or slot. The no-go end of the gauge will not fit in the hole if the machine is within its maximum size tolerance. However, if the hole is machined oversized, then the no-go will fit. Okay, so therefore, if you're an inspector, you can quickly grab this go-no-go gauge. You're going to put the go side, it's going to fit in the hole, and everything's going to be fine. And then you take the no-go side, and it won't fit in the hole, and then now you know that that hole is within its size tolerance. So that's the fundamentals of a go-no-go gauge, and specifically a cylindrical plug go-no-go gauge. So the problem asked you to design a go-no-go plug gauge to fit the size of the hole. What are the steps to do that? The first step is to find the part tolerance limits. That's fairly easy. So what we know is that the minimum hole size limit is going to be the nominal 0.4375 minus 0.0015. Therefore, your minimum size limit is 0.436. Likewise, the maximum size limit is 0.439. And therefore, the tolerance, the total tolerance of the hole, this is the part tolerance, is 3 thousandths, 0.003. The second step is compute the tolerance of the go and the no-go ends. So, gauges are precision tooling. However, they cannot be perfect. They must be manufactured to some assigned tolerance. So the gauge tolerance is defined in the problem statement as 10% of the part feature tolerance. That's gauge is going to be used to inspect. In this case, the total tolerance of the part is 3 thousandths. And therefore, the total tolerance of the gauge is 10% of that. So the gauge tolerance is 0.0003, or 3/10 of a thousandth. That's step 2. Just to keep this movie short for production, I'm going to pick up step 3 in the next video. Thank you.